May decision ka bang akala mong mali nung una, pero ngayon thankful ka na ginawa mo?
Marami akong ganung decisions na akala ko mali nung una, pero ginawa ko pa rin kasi nakita ko yung opportunity. Na I believe yung feeling of mali, nandun yung risk. Hindi ko makakalimutan during pandemic na kung saan lahat or majority sa mga nag-e-commerce, they stop running ads kasi ang point doon is wala namang magdi-deliver. Tapos ako nakakita ko ng opportunity that if everybody stop running ads, kung mag-run ako ng ads, magiging mura yung advertisement. Tapos, magiging problema ko ngayon is delivery. Yung ginawa ko is kung mausap ako ng mga few riders na magdi-deliver sa Metro Manila. I did that and that was the biggest sale na naranasan that time ng startup company ko. Sobrang nagpapasalamat ako na ginawa ko siya kasi I was able to get the opportunity out of that. And may mga ginawa din akong akala ko tama na pagdating sa dulo, pumalpak. And doon ko na-realize that it's all about taking risks. And pag nag-take ka ng risks, hindi ka palaging panalo. Actually, madalas nga talo ka. But it's really the learning na nakukuha mo from that. And sabi nga ni Steve Jobs, you can only connect the dots looking backward. So, dun mo lang matututunan. No? Pero yun, I think that's one of the risks na nararamdaman ko parang malito kasi everybody's not risking. Pero ako, I took the risk. And so far, maganda naman yung nangyari.